first ever EU high-level dialogue with the Palestinian Authority.
Today, the EU announced a new multi-annual support package for Palestine worth of 1.6 billion euro over the next 2 years. But Commissioner Suica will elaborate on that. The European Union will invest in essential infrastructure, deliver humanitarian aid, and support refugees.
Thank you very much. We will take another question and we'll...
So our program aims to support the Palestinian people in building a sustainable future. It's about governing capacity. It's about advanced economic recovery. It's about strengthening the resilience of the private sector. Of course, it's about creating jobs and contributing to long-term social and economic stability. A well-functioning and reformed Palestinian Authority must play a central role in the post-conflict governance of Gaza. This is our position. There will be a new window of opportunity for all of us, and it will also include Palestine.
Representative and Prime Minister, it's about the political significance.
Today's first ever high-level dialogue is more than a meeting. It's a moment of decision. We came here not only to reaffirm our commitment to peace and reform, but to build a strategic partnership with the EU within the framework of the new Pact for the Mediterranean, and to advance the EU recovery program with the Palestinian Authority and to build a common pathway forward for peace.
That you would be working on sanctions on extremist settlers, and you'd work...
We came here today not just to speak of tragedy, but to act for a way forward that begins with an immediate ceasefire, not as a political demand, but as a matter of life and death. Lives must be saved. Hostages and detainees must be released. Aid must flow. We also discussed the urgent need to rebuild Gaza without uprooting its people, and that's very important.